Bonjour, I am Chef Jason Cabasan. So I have been in the baking industry for 18 years, and currently I am the Asia Pacific Baking Center Coordinator and Technical Sales Manager for Yeast and Baking Solutions in Lesaffre, Philippines. So joining me today is a very good friend of ours.
Bonjour, I'm Chef Jean-Baptiste Ballot, but you can call me Chef JB. I've been a worldwide baker and a baking instructor for the past 16 years. I work in France, Mexico, Malaysia, Myanmar, and Philippines.
So welcome, Chef JB, and welcome to everyone. So what are we doing today?
Today we are going to make a chocolate espresso boule. Boule is a French word meaning bowl. So today we are going to make a round-shaped bread flavored with chocolate. Do you like chocolate, Chef Jason?
Yes, I like chocolate. I like the sweet and milky taste of chocolate. Do you like chocolate, Chef JB?
I love chocolate. As we say in French, j'adore le chocolat.
So what are we waiting for? Let's go?
Allons-y. For chocolate espresso boule, our ingredients are flour, cold water, sugar, chocolates, espresso powder, warm water, chocolate flavor, cinnamon, salt, and Tradizy Durum. Now Chef Jason will tell us something about Tradizy Durum.
So Tradizy Durum is our active bakery preparation based on dry sourdough. So it is an all-in-one product that is very easy to use for those starting out on their sourdough journey or those who are time-saving bakers. So you are now able to produce consistent, quality breads with sourdough easily and quickly with complete confidence. Tradizy Durum contains its own microorganisms that enable fermentation. By mixing one pack with 10 to 20 kilos flour, water, and salt, you can get the rustic flavor of durum wheat and the crispiness of sourdough bread. So you can use Tradizy Durum for baguette, ciabatta, focaccia, or even pandesal, and sweet dough breads.
Thank you, Chef Jason. Shall we start?
Sure.
First, we dissolve espresso powder with warm water, and we set aside. Mix flour, salt, Tradizy Durum, water, chocolate flavor, and sugar at low speed for 4 minutes. Then add the espresso mix and the cinnamon powder. Continue mixing at high speed for 6 minutes or until 90% developed. Add 100 gram chocolate at low speed for 2 minutes or until fully incorporated. Transfer the dough into an oiled container, cover and bulk ferment in the chiller. Divide into 300 grams each. Rest dough on a lightly floured table for 30 minutes. Prepare the banneton with cloth and sprinkle with flour. Round the dough and smoothen. Transfer the dough into the banneton, keeping the seam on top. Proof for 2 hours at room temperature. Flip the banneton over the tray. Dust the top of the dough with flour. Score the bread accordingly. Bake at 240 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes with steam. Open the vent and lower temperature to 220 degrees Celsius. Continue baking for another 10 minutes or until golden brown. Cool the bread on a wire rack. Et voilà, there it is, our chocolate espresso boule. Merveilleux. What do you think, Chef Jason?
Yes, Chef JB, looks yummy. And I think it tastes better because of our Tradizy Durum. And I hope all our viewers have fun, just like we did, making our delicious recipe for today.
Be sure to follow all the instructions when you make your own chocolate espresso boule, as well as other recipes.
Check out our products and the complete recipes for this and our great breads on our website. Like and follow us on social media.
So, from Chef Jason and myself, we say thank you and au revoir.
See you next time.